Hi, I'm Kevin Hatley and welcome to Kevin Hatley Photography, a channel I've set up on YouTube to showcase my photography, my experiences in wildlife and nature. Come and join me. Hi, welcome to another edition of On the Road with Kevin Hatley Photography. I hope you can hear me above the noise coming from this area, which is on the River Don at Sprotbrough in South Yorkshire. Today I'm visiting the Sprotbrough Nature Reserve, which is run by the Yorkshire Wildlife Trust. So what I aim to do is have a walk around the reserve, see what it's about, photograph it, film it, and then share that experience with you. If you want to join me, let's go. As you come into Sprotbrough from Doncaster, you cross the River Don, cross the River Don, you have this weir on your left hand side. Once you cross the bridge over the River Don, you go about 100 yards down the road, and then there's a turning for Nursery Lane just as you enter Sprotbrough. You take that left hand turn and that takes you down to the car park. Here we are at the car park at Sprotbrough, which is right on the banks of the River Don. This is a car parking area, and although it looks like there's plenty of room here or space, normally weekends very difficult for parking, so just be aware. From the car park you just walk down onto the banks of the river, and there's a footpath that leads all the way down to the hides, and what we'll do now is we'll take a walk down and we'll have a look at the hides and the viewing screen. The first place you'll come to when you're walking through Sprotbrough Nature Reserve is the viewing screen. So what we'll do is we'll just take a walk round. Here's the viewing screen, so let's go and see what it's about. Here we have the view from the viewing screen, so just take a pan around. So this is the bottom end of the flash, fields on the opposite side and wood up to the top. There's not a lot about it at the moment. Let's see what we can see over here. Here we have a moorhen. Here we have the footpath leading up from the viewing screen up to the first hide, which is the Kingfisher hide. This towpath can get very busy at peak times, especially at weekends, and be very careful of people on bikes as well. As you walk down here you get lots of small birds, songbirds, sitting in the trees and the bushes both left and right. Here we have the first hide, which is on the right hand side, which is known as the Kingfisher hide. Very popular, obviously, because kingfishers. So what we'll do again is we'll go in, we'll take a seat and we'll see what's about. This is the view from the Kingfisher hide, and as you can see it's pretty busy at the moment. Over here we have a family of swans. Mother and father with 3 cygnets. And as we come round, on the far side there are 2 small, what you call little islands that stick out into the water, and there's a little bay, which as you can see at the moment, lots of birds, especially gulls at the moment across there, a couple of cormorants. And on the far side there's a telegraph pole, which again if I zoom in on, you'll see there are a couple of nest boxes on it, just here. And this is where you often get kestrels and buzzards landing on this post, but obviously none here at the moment. And just to finish off the view, come round again, and that's the view from the Kingfisher hide. We'll just in front of the Kingfisher hide, they've set up this rail where kingfishers often land. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hang around here for an hour or two and see if they turn up. So they cleared the front of the hide, which can give you some better views. There is also this side view on the left hand side, where people will put bird feed out for smaller birds. You'll often get finches, buntings coming in here. So let's just have a little look out the window, see if we can see anything. And yes, we can. We just zoom in, and it's a young moorhen feeding away. Here we have the male and female gadwall, male on the right, female on the left. Just feeding away. Male and female gadwall. Here we have a pair of widgeon, a male and a female. You'll see that the female's slightly darker head compared to the male, which is a brighter rusty brown, and you'll see that it's like a pale stripe down the front of its head as well. That identifies the bird as a widgeon. So this is a pair, male and female widgeon. The towpath area is also good for butterflies and dragonflies as you walk down past the river between the Kingfisher hide and the Heron hide. A couple hundred metres down on the right hand side from the Kingfisher hide, you then come to what's known as the Heron hide, and this is the last hide on Sprotbrough Nature Reserve. So again, we'll go down, we'll have a look and see what's about. Here we are in the Heron hide at Sprotbrough Nature Reserve, and this is the view you get from the hide. So we'll just have a pan round. I just spotted on the water at the moment. There is a cormorant. We'll just zoom in. Perched on a post. Cormorant. There's been quite a few this morning, but this is the best view I've had. Cormorant. And there's also a pole with a platform on it on the far side. You'll often see birds of prey sitting on this. So this is the view from the Heron hide. Okay, we'll take some video of the cormorant. See if it does anything rather than just stand there. Certainly when the sun falls on the plumage, iridescent colours do shine through. and they are quite nice birds to photograph. Not the greatest looking bird, but some of the colours on them can be spectacular if you catch them bright with the light. And this one's just having a... let's just go zoom right in on its head. And you see the colours. Very bright yellow bill. And they have a stunning green eye. And that's some H it's got there. There you can see the green eye. And then there's a little grebe on the far side. Lovely little birds diving down. Let's stay with them and see if it comes up with anything. Mind you, he could come up anywhere. They can obviously hold their breath for a little while. He's up. You got anything? No, down again. Well, they're quite fast, little grebes. Dab chick is another name for them. And here we have a great crested grebe. Flash is quite well known for them. The nest here, and I did get some footage which I'll put on here of parents with the young humbugs. So I'll put that on now. Well, that's a good morning that I've had here at Sprotbrough Nature Reserve, which is run by the Yorkshire Wildlife Trust. The reserve itself runs parallel to the River Don. What we've seen today, swans, a family of swans earlier on, seen herons, cormorants, great crested grebes, little grebes, a number of ducks, widgeon, gadwall, mallard, moorhen, coot, and we did spot a water rail earlier on, but we couldn't get any pictures of it. Kingfishers flew past a couple of times on the far side of the reserve, too quick to get any pictures, but I have had some previously. Yeah, it's been a good day here at Sprotbrough. Good access. It can get busy at times, so my advice would be to, if you can, go during the week. And just be mindful of the limited car parking space as well. So, once again, if you've enjoyed this edition of On the Road with Kevin Hatley Photography, I would ask that you would, if you like it, please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed and you'd like to subscribe to my channel for more vlogs that I do on the road, then please subscribe. Until the next time, take care and stay safe. Bye for now.